Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen California Ocean. This vehicle comes with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 204 PS, as well as coming with a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. This example comes in a special two-tone colour combination, candy white over copper bronze. The vehicle features LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights, as well as a set of front parking sensors. Down in the bottom portion of the bumpers is also a set of front fog lamps with a cornering function. Down below, the vehicle comes with the 17-inch Eraser alloy wheels finished in a silver colour, as well as a multi-spoke design. The vehicle also comes on a set of BF Goodrich off-road tyres. The vehicle also comes with a roll-out awning with a black housing, as well as an electro-hydraulic operated pop-up roof. There's also a solar collector located on the roof of the vehicle. Towards the rear of the California, there is a tailgate with a heated rear window, and located just above the rear number plate is a rear view reversing camera. This, paired with the rear parking sensors, helps you make every parking manoeuvre with confidence. The vehicle also comes with a Westfalia removable as well as a lockable tow bar. Taking a look behind the tailgate and into the boot space of the vehicle, there is an ample amount of storage space as well as a multi-flex board. Over on the left hand side we have some additional storage shelves, and below this we have the outlet for the outdoor shower. Joining me inside the rear passenger area of the California, there is a 2-seater passenger bench finished in the circuit fabric upholstery, some under-seat storage, and the vehicle comes with everything that you might need on your camping trip away, including a fridge/cool box, twin hob burner, along with a sink with a foldable tap. Once you've reached your destination, the rear passenger bench folds flat and a comfort mattress is provided, making sure you get a good night's sleep. Up front in the driver's cab there are 2 singular seats, both with 2 armrests apiece. Again, these are finished in the circuit fabric upholstery seat trim covers in a palladium grey. In the forms of entertainment, in the centre of the dash we can find an 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system comes with the Discover Media Navigation Pro, as well as allowing users to access all their favourite radio stations. Users can also opt to use the App Connect feature, which allows them to connect their smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Beneath the touchscreen are the climate controls for the vehicle. This California comes with 2 front heated seats, as well as having a Climatronic 3-zone climate control system, which allows for a more controlled temperature inside the vehicle. Throughout the cab we'll also find 12V and 2 USB Type-C charging points, and the driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel, as well as a digital cockpit system.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1-year manufacturer's warranty and 1-year roadside assistance. For any further information you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.